All right, so we finally got it finished, and I told you guys we'd bring it out front and show it to you all finished up. And the truck really came out beautiful in the end. And with the satin, the patina work we did to it, and everybody in the shop chipped in and got it done so we could give it back to the customer. So let me show you guys what we did and show to you how it came out. All right, here she is. And we actually used a Fiat color on this here, but the satin did slip clear that you guys know that I used on it. And then we did the gloss accents on it. And that was also a Volvo color that we used for the white. So the combination came together nice. We also did the spray and bed liner on it and got it looking clean. So let me show you the inside. We went ahead, they put new handles on it, all new weather strips. He got some clean window cranks and door handles for it to give it a nice new fresh look, and they matched the wheel with the polished billet. So the truck's coming together, it looks nice. He's got a couple little things to do to finish it up, and he's gonna be ready to roll with it. So we were really happy to get it finished up, and the truck came out nice. I want you guys to leave me some comments what you guys think of it, and let me know how you like the color combination that we used on it. And this here is where we did some of the patina work on the front emblem. I showed you guys the video of the tailgate. This is the front emblem, and I went ahead and did a little bit extra to the front hood here to blend it all together to match and put some of the patina on that emblem there. So it's all tied in together now with a little bit of accents, and I think it really came out nice and clean, and I think the owner is going to love this when he gets it back. So like I said before, he just came here to get some primer done on the inside, and look at what he got at the end. He was patient with us because you guys know we run a production shop, so it took us a little bit longer to get it done than we expected, but we found more damage to it, and we wanted to get it up to our standards. That way it looked good while it was rolling down the road, because we got our name on it. So I hope you guys liked it, and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.